When you choose your equipment for adventure, you know that the right choice makes all the difference. Rugged construction, personalized options, and performance engineering all add up to the type of vehicle that will get you wherever your adventure takes you. Meet the newest model in the Honda truck lineup, the Passport, and this one is the Touring model. Now I know what most of you are thinking. This is not our first rodeo. And you're right. The 2019 Honda Passport rounds out the entire line of Honda SUVs. Larger than the award-winning CR-V and more agile than the Pilot. It has aggressive styling, 20 millimeters more ground clearance than the Pilot, and sits on 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Piano black accents throughout, a huge front grille, and super bright LED headlights that are auto-leveling. Now, when it's time to head up or down those hills, you'll appreciate the engineering that went into creating a better departure angle. Rear skid plates and commanding dual exhaust round out the tail section. Standard roof rails make it easy to move things like bikes, kayaks, canoes, skis, snowboards, surfboards, you name it. And if you can't put it on the roof, pull it behind you. The Passport has a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, so add on the trailers, boats, jet skis, and dirt bikes. Now, as much as we know you like being outside, with the Passport, getting there is going to be half the fun. So let's jump inside. For the driver, a taller ride height helps when you're pathfinding off the beaten track. You'll appreciate the increased visibility. Loads of versatile cargo space make packing all of your gear easy. Not only do the 60/40 split folding rear seats go flat for larger items, you can put them down with the touch of a button. The tailgate can be opened hands-free. And back here you'll find tie-down anchors for securing your equipment, and there's a flip-up cargo lid that exposes more storage that's perfect for wet items after a trip down the river, extra supplies for longer journeys, or anything you don't want sliding around. Stay connected while you're out exploring, if you want to, with features like Honda Link satellite navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Front and rear heated seats are ideal for all that cold weather exploration you're going to do. Steering wheel mounted controls allow you to keep your hands on the wheel, which is also heated, and the dashboard plus center console put all your vehicle information right where you need it. Sure, you love the thrill of flying down a mountain on your bike or smashing through the waves on your jet ski, but now, getting to your destination is just as thrilling. The Passport is powered by a 3.5-liter 24-valve direct injection IV-Tech V6 engine, giving you a whopping 280 horsepower with paddle shifters and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Features like the Intelligent Traction Management System, Variable Torque Management, and Econ Mode give the Passport Touring a perfect balance of power and performance, making each drive smoother, more comfortable, and more efficient. The Passport uses intuitive technology and design to give you the latest in safety innovation from Honda. It comes standard with the full Honda Sensing suite, including forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking system, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. Adventure doesn't wait, so it's time to get out and get going. The Honda Passport is your ticket to getting there. Drive a Passport today at your local Honda dealer and check out honda.ca for more information.